This is how you're going to use Mailto link in Elementor. If you want an email to open when someone clicks a button, here's what you're going to do. So first, you're going to head over to the Elementor website editor, and then once you're here, you're just going to click on any button or any word that you want to convert into a link. So for example, we're going to convert this button into a link or a Mailto link. We're just going to click on this button, and then in this edit button panel that will appear, we're just going to head over to the link field, and then we're going to click on this field and then type in Mailto with no space, and then follow this format: your email, your name at email.com. And then once you hit on preview, you can click this button and it will take you to a page wherein you can send a message. Now, if this doesn't work for you, you can also use another feature, which is by clicking on this dynamic tags. You're just going to click on that, and then you're going to scroll down until you find the actions section, and then you're going to click on contact URL. Now from here, you're just going to select it. You're just going to click on this field, and then you're going to select the type. We're going to select email, and then from here we're just going to type in the email where we want to send it. We're going to enter a subject and the message as well, and that's it. That is how you're going to use Mailto link in Elementor, as well as what you're going to do if it doesn't work. If this video helped you, please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this.